Communication is vital for the human experience. However, in the past decade, communication hasn't adapted to meet societal standards. Problems include disabled accessibility, inefficient communication, as well as language barriers. Introducing Pigeon. Pigeon is the first real-time communication platform that allows for closed captioning as well as assisted AI. We have features such as real-time captioning, assisted technology, AI-driven smart interactions, as well as RTC translations. We support over 120 plus languages, as well as not only enhance productivity, but also create connections. In the span of just 24 hours, we were able to adopt not only a mobile and web platform, but we were also able to create our own translation engine.
All right, so this is a prototype we made that if someone were to use our program and put it into their own apps to use, this is what it would look like, say like a normal messenger communication application. And right now we'll show you how the subtitling and the translations work. So right now we're calling my friend.
Even if the Wi-Fi is bad, our app will allow you to understand what I'm trying to say. If I want to go out with a friend, I can just say, hey, let's go out at 9 a.m. tomorrow. And our app will give the option for an Uber. Furthermore, our app supports over 120 different languages. Let's try out Spanish. Hello, I'm speaking in Spanish right now. How are you guys doing?
And this is the app.
So as you can see, we've not only demonstrated that our application can translate to Spanish, but we've also showed English to English communication, as well as Uber and other third-party apps can be integrated within our application. For monetization, my partner will take care.
Yeah, so this is a real big topic here, how to make money. And so what we can do, we have 4 ways to make money. We can do the licensing our technology out to other companies like messenger or communication applications. We can go use that and then work with that just to make their own and make it better. And then we also have the paid subscription model we're thinking of. So say like we make an enterprise level app, like say like Microsoft Office or Adobe Creative Cloud, and then pay for like purchasing or subscriptions. And another one is the AI-driven advertisements, like you saw Uber that we just did right now. So we can do other things, like say if you're hungry, you want to go get something to eat, you can say, oh, let's go to this restaurant here and here, and then it'll pop up for you. And another thing we were thinking of is partnerships. So there's a lot of live venues and events, like concerts and TV broadcasts. So we could automatically just use our program and easily adapt and accommodate all their needs that they would need for subtitling, and for all the disabled people who like can't keep up or can't understand and can't hear, but they can still have a good time and enjoy their time.
So scalability. In the future, we see ourselves increasing the auto language detection to be able to automatically detect what language is being spoken and customize our settings for that language. And then we also want to offer plugin and API support to be integratable with platforms such as Slack and other messaging platforms. And we also continually look for global support in incorporating different languages into our translation engine.
And so one of the main things is dealing with disabilities, which are not just mental and physical, but also situational. And these include like language barriers. So for say like a country like India, they have a lot of like increasing reliance on video conferencing and calling and stuff like that, but they also have over 720 dialects. So this is a huge opportunity to invest in there and make it easier for them to communicate with each other. And also for mental and physical ones, say people have a cognitive disability where they can't keep up with normal speech, like some types of autism, or like if they're just hard of hearing and they can't hear. This allows them to hear and still listen and understand what's going on. And yeah.
Thank you so much for your time.
This is great, guys. Great job.